Hi everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make shipping free on Shopify. I am on the home page of my Shopify store and I am in admin mode, and I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom left hand corner of the page to the settings, and from here I'm going to go down to shipping and delivery. And up at the top under the shipping section we're going to go to the general shipping rates, and that is for domestic and international. We're going to click on that. And then it took me directly into where I added some products. And over here, you can see the price for shipping. And I'm going to click on those three dots, edit that rate. And under price, just highlight, delete, and put in 0. And in the price column, that does make it free. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these. And after doing all that work, definitely want to make sure you press save. And now my profile's updated with free shipping.